Hello everyone! Today, tingnan niyo ang tanawin ng pakaganda. This is Otto Ali. Welcome! Yeah! Look at that. And also, look at that. Fresh from China. Say hi, guys! Hi! O, diba? Fresh from China. Nakaabot na talaga dito sa Otto Ali. Yes, look at that. So they are very careful. They love your happy. Tapos guys, tingnan nyo, napakamura ng cottage nila. So, look at the cottage, kung magkano na. 150 pesos lamang. Tapos 10 pesos ang isang tao. Okay? Ito namin, transaction sila doon. Ayan, pwede niyong gamitin, pwede kayo magluto. Ano, so meron ding tindahan dito kung saan mabibili niyo yung mga kailangan. Ayan, so kung pupunta kayo dito guys, ayan, makakadaan din yung motor, truck, or everything. Any vehicles can come down. And then, the entrance of the vehicle is very free. Ayan, free parking stop. Ito guys. Wow, partida ha. This is ano pa, rainy pa. Makita niyo yan? It's raining actually. Pero, grabe, ang ganda. If there's no rain, napaka-ano talaga nito, napaka-aliwalas. It's very calm. And by the way guys, pwede nyo try, may sorpresa dito sa mga bato. There's a surprise. It's not the surprise is shell. Ang daming shell dito. Tapos, kung gusto nyo namang mamingwit, okay? Kung gusto nyo mamingwit, actually, merong ganito dito, ayan. Merong bangka na pwede nyo rentahan and it's very cheap. Actually, the rent is per hour, I guess. Ayan, tapos pwede kayo mamingwit. But just bring your own bingwit. Ayan, kasi meron ding mga, dito, mga fish. Because yesterday we've been here and then namingwit ka. Because that. Naku guys, kung hindi to rainy season, kung hindi to rainy, it's very nice. The view is very nice and it's very clean. And how much only the entrance fee? Magkano ang entrance fee? 10 pesos! Yes, 10 pesos only. Nakaka naman yung mukha ko. So, ito pala yung nagbe-video. Hindi na makita yung mukha. So, guys, tapos, kung from Pampanga City kayo, punta kayo dito, search nyo lang yung Otto Ali Bermuda Beach. Diba? Diba? Otto Ali Bermuda Beach. This is the,
Ay! Tita!
okay. Nagbebenta siya ng something, pero naman siya nila dito. So, you can here. Meron din siya mga, like, yun ba, yung mga ring, di ba? Yeah, so it's very perfect.
Anyways, kung makapunta kayo, makikita niya dito. Surprise!
Surprise! Okay.
Our surprise is in a tall
Yeah, pwede
Bermuda
rin
Beach.
mag-overnight dito guys. Just bring your own tent.
This place is great for bonfire.
Yes. So if you have barkada guys, come here. So yeah, that's all. Bye everyone. See you.